Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey to explore the world of Korean jajangmyeon. But hold on tight because we've got some fascinating unknown facts about this iconic dish that will leave you craving for more. So, let's slurp our way into the delicious universe of jajangmyeon. Jajangmyeon, Korea's beloved black bean noodle dish, has an intriguing history. It was originally introduced to Korea by Chinese immigrants during the early 20th century. Since then, it has become an integral part of Korean cuisine and culture. The crowning glory of jajangmyeon lies in its velvety black bean sauce. But what's the secret behind its rich flavor? It's all in the sauce's main ingredient, jajang, a fermented black bean paste. This magic paste infuses the dish with a deep umami taste. Here's an interesting tidbit. In Korea, there's a city called Gwangju, where jajangmyeon has a unique twist. Gwangju jajang uses a sweet and savory sauce, making it distinct from the traditional savory version. So, if you ever visit Gwangju, don't miss this special variation. In Korea, there's a fun tradition called Jajangmyeon Day, where people enjoy a hearty plate of jajangmyeon on April 14th. It's a day of celebrating singlehood, and friends often get together to savor this delicious dish in each other's company. While the classic jajangmyeon consists of noodles and black bean sauce, there are various mouth-watering variations to explore. From jampong jajangmyeon that combines spicy seafood soup with the sauce to jajang tteokbokki that features rice cakes and the black bean goodness, the possibilities are endless. Korean dramas have played a significant role in popularizing jajangmyeon worldwide. It's a common scene to witness characters bonding over a bowl of jajangmyeon, making it an iconic symbol of comfort and companionship in Korean entertainment. For those looking for a lighter version, there's jajangmyeon or jajangmyeon with yellow bean sauce. This alternative uses soybean paste instead of black bean paste, creating a milder yet equally delectable taste. Jajangmyeon's fame has spread beyond Korea's borders, with Chinese restaurants around the world offering their own interpretations of this delectable dish. Each region adds its twist, making it a global favorite. And there you have it, folks. The intriguing world of Korean jajangmyeon, with its historical roots, versatile variations, and cultural significance. Have you tried jajangmyeon before? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Until next time, keep enjoying the wonderful flavors of the world.